What's up, everyone, and welcome back. So, in our today's tutorial, I will want to talk about the our pending project, which is the boats for two-way no loss strategy. But before we get started, let me quickly give us our case study on our previous launchpad. Though some of us were not being favored. In fact, almost all of us were not being favored, but I was opportune to get 166 that of PVS, and you remember how it was done the other time. It was later launched just a day before yesterday, and the Mexi actually listed at 0.3. So let me quickly take us there and check, and I'm going to show you my allocation, which is 166, though I was moved due to some stuff like that. I wasn't available, so that is the reason why I was unable to share with you guys then. But I'm going to show you my allocation, what they allocate me. So this is the project now. The project has totally drawn down now, but as at the market, the launching day, it was list around 0.3. So as you all remember, as at then we bought it around, how much do we bought it? We bought it around 0.07 when it was launch pool, 0.07. Some of us invest up to 500 to $1,000, though the minimum was, or the maximum was $700, but due to large use of numbers of the participants, we were unable to get a good allocation. But I just don't know what it is. I was given 166, though I used two accounts. To I use the first account I used in the tutorial. I always tell you guys that is my tutorial account. Every account you see me using is just for a demo. Even if I took a live trade, it's just for a demo. I have other main accounts that I show, which is not advisable to display outside. So now, as at then, let's say we bought some water of just maybe $50, will be given to, as our allocation will be given this. If actually they play us well, will be given to this. And at launch day, it was launched $3. And look at the massive profit you will have made, and look at it. I believe you we still remember that it was 0.07 as at then, and now it was listed here. Though we actually make use of gates.io, but the listing gates.io, gate.io actually listed 1.8. So even with this we still have $128 using our $50. As you see the power of launchpad. So now let me quickly go to gates.io and show you my allocation. So this is my get.io account, and as you can see, it's a live account. Here is a okay, this was the account I used in the tutorial then. So let me quickly head over to my assets and check my history, and you will see it. So let me check. You see this is the coin here. I just okay, I'm coming. As you can see, this is the coins here. This is the token here. Is a PFVS. So I actually sold it off, but it was late due to I was very busy. I wasn't available during the lunch time, so it has go little down, but still I still make my money. I make my money. So this is my account, and okay, they actually gave me 292 allocation. So here is it. As you can see it here, let me show you here. Like I told you, I actually come back and do it again. So this was the soon airdrop. So we also talk about this soon airdrop, and which some of you did not participate. I actually participate, and you can see they actually gave me 166. But the major one is a launchpad that we all participate together. Let me show you, so that now you can just be looking for opportunity there. You just marry the platform, the other platform, and be searching for opportunity of launchpad. I'm coming, sir. So this is it. As you can see here, I have, they actually gave me 291, and let me open it and you will see now airdrop is a as a project it will be like airdrop. So look at the date here, voila, look at it here, and this is it now. So let me show you the launch day. I actually sold it off and pull out my money. So I was able to sold mine at rate of 1 point is it 1.5 or 1 point something. Let me show you. You will see it now. As you can see, I was able to sell it here. Look at it here. I sold mine here. So that is just the power of launchpad, and this doesn't limit our opportunity in the crypto space. So once our FX class starts now, we have a knowledge on how you can start trading yourself. Even if you are not interested in forex, you will be, you as you are interested in crypto, you will use the FX knowledge, because if you can trade forex, you can definitely trade crypto. But if you can trade crypto, it's not that that you can trade forex. But if you knew how to trade crypto well, you can trade forex. But the reason why I say it's not that is because of the fundamental on the forex. The forex is very volatile, especially when you are trading gold and something like that. The market can just boom and take you out. But in crypto, before the market take you out, you will know what it is. So now let's get back to our main tutorial, our main talk for today, which is crypto, the bots. Yeah, I actually, like I promised, I we try to get our boats, but due to the last week, we have some challenges and we have some misunderstanding in the platform, and like I say, I never knew we have already have someone who can develop the boat within our community. So the thing, what I did was I actually reached out to him, and after I reach out to him, I apologize based on the misunderstanding they have between him and the admin. So, and he actually accept our apology and ready to forgive us. And I am very happy that he is also not only ready to forgive us, he is also willing to help our community. But let us take note of this: the two-way no loss strategy is one of the best strategy you will ever find outside there, because no matter how the market goes, you are still in profit, even if it's a little. Let's assume you have a maybe like $100 for the market, and you are making maybe $1 to $2 per day or even above, because I'm very sure you will make a lot of money above that. But let's just place it on that you are making like $2 to $3 per day. You will definitely cash out something big after the week. So that is how this work. And you, as we all know, the two-way no loss strategy, at its good at is, we are facing a lot of challenges in getting the currency, I mean in getting the good markets. For example, we the challenges are, you will scan the market looking for the correlated pair that's aligned with the with above mentioned in our main tutorial, but you will end up spending like 4 to 5 hours, and sometimes you won't even get up to a single pair. So, and that is the reason why we decide to go for the boats. And now, the boats, um though though we still want to create another bot for the triangular arbitrage, but for now, since he is part of our advanced members that motivate and also advise and also help, I think we should just go with him, and let's also see how he will. So now the thing is, I've reached the conclusion with him, and he is going to. But for now, the boat is paid boat. Is paid boat. That is his business. So is speedboat and some charges applies to it. So the thing is, you get a free trial before you can even pay, which is very cool. You can't get that everywhere, anywhere. Yes, trust me, you can't get that anywhere. But to be sincere with you, I have tried it. He sent me some signals and I tested it, do a live trading, and voila, I can say yes, I actually got a good result. For me, it's seriously, that is just it, like I don't have time for this boat myself to be trading with the boat, because I can't say I'm used to boat trading. I'm just used to doing my analysis and go into trade. So the fact that I don't update you guys on the platform doesn't mean I don't trade. I trade almost every day. Even if it's once, I just hustle my 2k, urgent 2k for the daily survivor. But I promise you guys that I will be fully back in the community once I'm done with this project. The project is almost 70% now, and it actually required my physical appearance there. Henceforth, it's something. So I apologize for not being active like before, and I assure you and I promise you that I will be soon back, and we are going to continue our stuff. So, and for the Forex class, I have started the pre-record, and also I will get in touch with the people that are willing to help us as well. So we are going to start the class any moment from now. It may be today, tomorrow, or I'm just assuring you that the class will commence very soon, within, because I have started, and I will start uploading it so that we have access to it. So that is the, if you have anything to say, please kindly let me know. And I want to say again that I want to appreciate Mr. IBK for this opportunity, granting us opportunity, and also sharing us, and the love you have for us. May you also receive that in God. So now, if you have anything to say, please do not hesitate to say it, and I will be waiting for you guys, and that is it. So let me quickly show you some of the signals, and I believe some of you have seen the signals as well on the platform before it was being taken down. So this is how the signals look like. As you can see, this signal is say buy long BTC USDT and short BNB USDT. The ratio is the RSI ratio is 0.72, which is very perfect, with the time frame of 15 minutes. Isolated margin exit ratio 0.95, which is very very good. The bot is very fast and can give you more than up to a 10 signal per day. That is very good for those of us that really want to trade. This is very good opportunity for us, and I believe that this is going to help us in a long run. Look at another signal again. It gave me this signal again, long EGN with 10x, short EGN with JUP with 10x, and look at the margin. This is just exactly what the bot does, and I am very impressed, because trust me, it is very simple, and the bot is going to scan the exchange and give you everything like this. And this is just a very simple stuff that you can dive into. So for those of us who are interested, I am going to allow him to make he's going to tell us the guide, and we can go ahead and talk to him. So I think he has a platform where you are going to test it. So, and also he's going to be giving us some signal in our platform day by day. Even once in a day it's going to be good, but you are going to miss it. You miss it, so it's better you for you who is interested, it's better you subscribe now, and see how it goes, and I assure you that everything is going to goes well. So in time of our own the triangular arbitrage both. We are working on towards it. Once we are ready, I will let us know. So if you have anything to say, please do not hesitate to let me know. And I appreciate each and every one of you for your support, love, and towards the community. I say a very big thank to you, and I promise you, I assured you that you will never regret joining this community.